Chapter 17, Analysis of Non-Routine Maintenance. Within the Information Analysis module, you will have access to detailed graphs and reports that display the time worked or reported by maintenance personnel in a specific period. This will allow you to visually and effectively evaluate the performance and distribution of efforts in assigned tasks. The analysis of failures and root causes enables the identification of patterns and determination of the main reasons for equipment failures. This analysis is divided into three key sections. 1. Equipment family with the highest incidence, identifies the types of equipment that have experienced the most failures in a given period. 2. Most common failures, displays recurring issues within the selected equipment family, facilitating the detection of trends and potential solutions. 3. Root cause of the incidents, the system analyzes and presents the main causes of reported failures, highlighting the most common or recurring factors to effectively address the root of the problem. This analysis allows for more informed decision-making, optimizing maintenance strategies and reducing the risk of future failures. The fault calendar is a tool for recording and tracking maintenance events that impact operations. Each event is categorized as stoppage, failures reported to the maintenance department that do not have a significant impact on operations. The equipment continues to function without affecting its performance. Stoppage with impact, an event that occurred during the workday and, upon being addressed, required a complete shutdown of the equipment. All necessary elements are available to restore operations in a short period. Low impact, requires a waiting period to obtain the necessary elements to restore operations. Medium impact, failures that stop both the affected equipment and other dependent ones. Although the repair time is relatively short, the interruption impacts multiple areas of operation. High impact, directly affects the operation of the area and requires internal escalation for resolution. Maintenance days are recorded on the calendar based on the highest impact escalation criteria. By double-clicking, all events recorded on the day are displayed. Maintenance indices. In this section, you can calculate the average between failures, mean repair time, breakdown availability, and equipment reliability. You can also consult the events recorded based on closed work orders to improve maintenance efficiency. By utilizing these tools and analyses, you can enhance maintenance strategies, improve operational efficiency, and minimize the occurrence of future failures.